Welcome to my channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing this really pretty eye makeup look and lip makeup as well. You can check out my foundation in my previous video, or I'm going to leave a link down in the description box. You're mostly welcome. This is very bright, smoky, sexy eye makeup that's going to suit, I guess, every single person. You can change a little bit of shape, but depending on. Love you all, and today I'm going to do a voiceover, but really soon I'm going to be probably back with regular type of filming. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's get started. I'm going to get started with my Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer. This is the only one I have right now. That is the main reason why I'm using this. You can go with NYX or any other options, whatever you have in your makeup kit. With my Fenty concealer, this is a super dark shade. I want to create shape with a brush, and I will go up to the crease, but try to keep it a little bit lower than the actual crease. Fading this away with a fluffy brush, and then I'm moving to the same color but dry formula. Today, primarily, we're going to be using James Charles eyeshadow palette X Morphe, and I'm going to feather this out in the crease as well and pack the main color really close to the lash line. Now, let's smoke this out with black eyeshadows. First, I'm going to use matte color, and I want to bring this lower than the actual crease, because when I try to blend this out with any leftovers from the browns, I just want to make sure that the line is very, very soft. Then I will probably go with a little bit different shimmery shade from L'Oreal. This is a single eyeshadow. If you don't really have this option, skip that, because we're still going to add a lot of other glitter. But if you do, add a little bit. It's going to look really, really pretty. To the fun part of this makeup look, NYX Beamin highlighter. I don't really use it because the particles are too big. That is the main reason why it's going to look really nice as a base for the inner corner moment. I will get this color on the back of my hand, use a fluffy brush, and transfer over the lid. It was a little bit sticky, and that was the main reason why I went with purple eyeshadows from James Charles eyeshadow palette. And then I wanted to top this look with Essence pigment. You have no idea how beautiful it looks under the light, because it's just shimmery. It's pretty obsessed with the look. And basically for the lower lid, I'm going to use the same colors, a little bit of warm brown over my waterline, and this is probably the only difference with the top lid. Then concealer, browns, some black color in the inner corner. I skipped on highlighter, but added purple and pigment, because highlighter is going to be, a little bit uncomfortable in my opinion. By the way, the valid point is to use some wet brushes with shimmers. Final touches, a little bit of black eyeliner along the lash line. You can win this out, it's totally optional. And with L'Oreal mascara, I will coat lashes with mascara. On top of my lip shades, I'm using concealer type lipstick. I'm gonna contour and outline this with a little bit darker shade, but it's basically like peach color. You can use darker color on top. And then finally, we're gonna finish everything with Givenchy lip gloss. I was debating, should I use a rosy pink color or keep it peach shade? So let me know your thoughts. Probably pink would look really good with this makeup look. I'm waiting for your replies in the comments. And this is the final result of my sexy, sparkly makeup look. It's full glam. I did off camera my foundation, and I'm going to leave the link down in the description box, but this is my previous video where I shared my foundation and my eye makeup look. If you're interested, you can try this out, but today I really wanted to focus on my lips and my eyes. I love you all so much. I'm super excited about 2026, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.